just bomb on fucking Eminem like that, man, that junk crazy, man. But you know, Eminem, he came at him first, all over a tweet from all them years ago. Like, you took too long to get back, man. Like, but M bombed on everybody. Like, M bombed on like damn near every rapper, even academics. Like, that nigga was coming at everybody. Came at Charlamagne, came at Lil Yachty, all them niggas. Like, that joint, it was hot too. Like, he was coming at them niggas top. And honestly, like, Machine Gun Kelly, the only one that had the heart to like come back. Like, but I think it was a trap. I think this shit is a trap. Like, M wanted somebody to come back, and I think now he's just gonna fucking spend all fall and winter bombing on everybody again. Like, so I don't know, man. But Machine Gun Kelly, that joint, that track fire. Like, M need what everybody be saying, 24 hours. Like, M got 24 hours to come back. Like, cause that shit was fire. Like, I ain't even gonna hold you. Like Machine Gun Kelly bombed on him. Like, he flamed him. Like, I was like, yo, this shit crazy. Like, I was just sitting there holding my, like, I was looking like that the whole time. Like, yo, like, what is he saying? Like, yo, y'all gotta check it out, man. I'm gonna put it in the description, man. But y'all go check that joint out. Like, yo, I'm telling you, yo, Machine Gun Kelly bombed on Eminem. We gotta wait for Eminem. Got 24 hours to come back. You know what I mean? And if you don't come back in 24 hours, I don't know, M. I don't know. You talked all that shit. You said you back to bombing on niggas, and you know what I mean? You came back. You got 24 hours. So let's get it, man. I'm excited about this shit. Like harmless rap beef that don't lead to shit. You know what I mean? Like, that don't lead to nothing. Rather it's battle rap or this type of rap. You know what I mean? Like, I love this shit. Like, so I'm excited to see what M gonna say. You know what I mean? And let's not act like Eminem not lyrically better than Machine Gun Kelly, but it's the fact that how Machine Gun Kelly came. Like, if M come back on a beat like how Machine Gun Kelly was on, and he just rocked that shit, like, that shit gonna be, it's gonna be fire. Like, I mean, I don't know. M lyrically better, but let's just see who got the better diss track. I mean, let's get it.